Hello art beaders, Becky here for artbeads.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're taking a look at prestige crystal pearls and how to use them in different jewelry designs. These are gorgeous, high quality Austrian crystal pearls that are super consistent and super durable. So you're going to want to use them in all of your jewelry designs. So let's dive into prestige crystal pearls. So prestige crystal pearls. Pearls are our bead of the month for October. Every month we've been featuring a new bead of the month, and we've got a nice little calendar, a free calendar download for you to print out over on our website. I've got the link to this in the video description. Now you can print out this lovely calendar. We also have a Beadtober version of the calendar that you can see I'm already using to kind of plan out what we feature for each day of Beadtober. So if you want to keep track of the Beadtober themes, we've also got the Beadtober version of the calendar available as well. But great planning calendar for you to print out and just plan your month with. And this month's featured beads, pearl beads. So it's a great time to talk about prestige crystal pearls. Since bead of the month is pearls, it's the birthday of prestige crystal pearls on the Art Beads website. Great time to talk about them, and they really are some of my favorite beads to work with. They are so gorgeous, lots of different colors to choose from, as well as classic round shapes, coin shapes, just beautiful, beautiful options when you're working with prestige crystal. Becky in the chat, pearls are my birthstone. Yay! So this is really wonderful to be talking about pearls for you today. And I know pearls are favorites for a lot of people because they're just so beautiful. They're classic, they're timeless. You can use them in so many different ways, and you can even really update them in fun ways. That's what I did. So you might have noticed that featured project in our calendar is this bracelet that I made with prestige crystal pearls, as well as some fresh water pearls as well. And what I did here, I did the daisy chain stitch with seed beads around some crystal pearls. I thought that's such a cute, fun way to kind of update the pearl look and make it kind of playful. So that's what I did for this design studio tutorial, which you can find. We've got free instructions and a supplies list in our design studio. Right now I've got a link in the video description. And I actually put this one on one of our layered tubes that comes with spring rings attached. So you can actually use the spring rings attached to this bracelet and actually take these strands off and switch them around, put new strands on. So that layered clasp really makes this look interchangeable. So super fun. I love that. And these are kind of fun, kind of fall colors too. Fun, I love that. So that's a new inspiration piece, a tutorial that you'll find in our design studio. Super fun. I did also want to mention, like I said earlier, in the month of October, we have a free gift with your order. So every order in October is going to receive a free gift of prestige crystals in honor of the birthday of prestige crystals at artbeads.com. This is while supplies last, so make sure you order fast. This gift is going to include 4 of these emerald faceted round crystals, 4 of these light cyan bicone crystals, and 2 of these teardrop pendants in that clear crystal color. So I went ahead and made some earrings with our free gift because they're such festive, fun Christmas colors all together. So they make some really cute earrings. So I've got inspiration for that. You'll find this tutorial in our design studio as well. So you can shop those crystals. If you haven't worked with prestige crystal before, this little gift is a great way to get introduced to them. And if you like them, you can order more with our tutorial and then explore the whole line because prestige crystal is just so beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, high quality Austrian crystal that we're really loving. So that is our free gift with every purchase in October while supplies last. Really good gift, fun crystals. You can use the entire gift in one piece, maybe mix it up, like you could make a bracelet with just one pendant and some of these crystals, and maybe another matching bracelet with the others. All kinds of things you can do with this lovely crystal gift. Back to the pearls. There are so many different ways to use our prestige crystal pearls. You can of course go for the classic look. These are just strung onto jewelry wire in this multi-strand piece inspired by Jackie Kennedy. I think this is such a Jackie Kennedy look. So pretty. We've got these bigger cream pearls in the center, and then the smaller kind of bronze colored pearls highlighting those center pearls. So such a beautiful design, so classic. That's of course a great way to use our prestige crystal pearls. I really love the simple crochet chain stitch with prestige crystals, pearls especially. It's such a beautiful look. This also looks really classic and elegant, but it's a little different. It's got some more texture, a little more dimension, thanks to the crochet thread that is used. And by the way, all of these pieces that I'm sharing with you today are available in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list, so you can shop and make them for yourself. And because pearls are our featured bead of the month, we have a little coupon code for pearls right now. So if you use the code PEARL10 at checkout, you can save 10% on your prestige crystal pearls and your freshwater pearls. So little extra coupon code there if you're shopping pearls. So pretty. So this is a really nice, this would be a lovely like wedding necklace, bridal necklace. It's got the prestige crystal pearls and some bicones in there as well, and this cute like little picot. So sweet. One of my favorites, as an example for prestige crystal pearls in crochet chain stitch, is this piece. It's got the crystal iridescent Tahitian Look pearls. So if you're a fan of Tahitian pearls but not a fan of the price, definitely check out these gorgeous prestige crystal pearls. They are so beautiful. One great thing about prestige crystal pearls is that they're super consistent too. So you know exactly what you're getting with these, and just such high quality, and they have just a beautiful shimmer and sheen. So the pearls here were mixed with more crystal bicones and even some fun check glass pieces that this color palette is just beautiful. Looks like it belongs to like an ocean goddess. So lovely. I love how the pearls were used kind of as an end cap here. Again, that's that crystal iridescent Tahitian Look pearl. So beautiful. This is a twisted herringbone stitch made with seed beads, and then the pearls are stitched on the end to kind of complete the look. And we've got this cute little Green Girls Studios charm as just a little magical mermaid touch at the end of that design. And then this piece I just love. This one features the Scarabaeus green prestige crystal pearls. I love this one, and it's paired with the Scarabaeus green crystal bicones. This piece reminds me of that painting of I forget the actress's name, but it's an actress portraying Lady Macbeth, and she's wearing this beautiful dress that's covered in jewel beetle wings, and that's what this reminds me of. It just looks like the dress that she's wearing in that painting, and I just love the color of these crystals, especially the pearls. They just have such a magical sheen. It's a rich green, but there's hints of gold and purple in there too, which really just makes it look like a scarab or a jewel beetle. So beautiful. I love that. And then on that green crochet thread, just makes it all the more rich. Beautiful. So that is a gorgeous example of crochet chain stitch there. One of my favorite colors of the prestige crystal pearls is velvet brown. This is such a beautiful color. I call it a chameleon color because it really just picks up on the colors around it. And for this one, I wanted a lovely fall look. So I made my own head pins with our finial beads, our half drilled finial beads, just glue them onto the end of wire. And I've got all these fun fall colors. And then I used our teacup beads, our check glass teacup beads, as little bead caps on the top of the velvet brown pearls. So it makes this really fun, festive fall look that's super fun to wear. And I of course put some crystal bicones in there as well. Super fun fall look there with the velvet brown pearls. Now, when you're talking about pearls, knotting is probably going to come to mind. You can do classic traditional knotting, and of course we have wonderful videos for how to knot between pearls, as well as tutorials on our website. But for this one, I did something a little different. I knotted between the pearls here, but it's just a little 2-bead segment, and then I attached it to a fun fan tassel. So to make this tassel, I took 3 of our smaller tassels and snipped the heads off and then smushed them into this wonderful tiara cast crimp end. And I actually used contrasting cord color to kind of make that prestige crystal pearl color pop. This is the iridescent dreamy rose, I believe. Such an amazing color. It's got a really magical sheen, soft pink color, but then it has like that kind of bluish pink undertone. You can kind of see it coming through on camera, but it looks so beautiful. Some of my favorite pairs of earrings right there. Classic colors like white and cream, of course, are wonderful for bridal jewelry. I thought this was a really unique way to use pearls. This is a peyote stitch bracelet, but then a nice big pearl is kind of incorporated into the stitch in intervals, which I think looks really amazing. And this is just such an elegant piece. So you can get instructions for this one in our design studio as well. Such a beautiful piece. Really great, different way to use some of your classic pearl colors. I love the coin pearls too that Prestige Crystal offers, and I think that really shows off the beauty of these crystal pearls and the colors that they come in. So these earrings feature the coin pearls in the iridescent rouge color, which is, oh, this is such a beautiful color. It's rich, it's saturated, has a beautiful sheen. It just looks really high quality and really, it draws the eye really nicely. I think it would work really nicely with the Eden Green crystal pearl in Christmas designs. And as you can see, these pearls look gorgeous with the Prestige Fine Rocks tube beads that have all the little crystals kind of embedded into the surface. I love the red pearl earrings too. I think they're so pretty, just a wonderful splash of color, but that coin pearl shape and the drop bead shape at the end still gives it that classic elegant feel, just kind of updated with the fun colors. So really pretty. Another good idea for using your pearls, this is that beautiful velvet brown color again. Do like a peyote bezel around it. This larger velvet brown crystal pearl has a peyote bezel around it, and that allowed our designers to add a nice little trim or fringe to the end. So it makes this wonderful beaded earring. This just looks really bespoke, and it just looks like an artisan piece. So beautiful. And again, you can see why the velvet brown is the chameleon color, because there's pink seed beads surrounding it, and it's really picking up on those pink tones. You can see that pink kind of come through in the undertone of the color of the bead. Love that color. So beautiful. And I thought this was another really fun idea. So again, really classic white cream pearls, and then instead of knotting between, we've got little Miyuki Delicas, I believe, spacing out the pearls so they don't rub together. But I love this inclusion. So what these are Briolette beads on head pins. There's about 6 of them here, and they're just all jumbled all together. So they're all strung onto the wire, and then you push your pearls together to create, it's almost like a little spacer or cluster of Briolette beads between these bigger pearls. So that's a really fun look, and that's a great way to kind of combine your Prestige Crystal pearls with the other Prestige Crystal beads that we have available. And again, we have so many beautiful colors and styles available in Prestige Crystal. Oh, so pretty. So really gorgeous ideas for crystal pearls. And by the way, we also have really wonderful Prestige Crystal color charts for our pearls, like I'm showing you here, so you can see all of the different Prestige Crystal pearl colors. So you can print that out, download it, keep it handy. We also have color charts for the bead colors and our flat back colors as well. So I've got a link to that post in the video description where you can find all of those color charts. This is a really great reference to have on hand. If you plan on working with Prestige Crystal a lot, it's really nice to have this reference so you can see like the different colors and what you might want for your next projects. So really nice color charts to download and print for you for free. Yeah, and don't forget to use that coupon code PEARL10 at checkout if you're shopping for Prestige Crystal Pearls or Freshwater Pearls, and you'll save 10% because they are our featured bead of the month. And like I said, every order in October will receive a free gift of Prestige crystals. You've got 4 green Prestige crystals or emerald, 4 light cyan Prestige crystal bicones, and 2 teardrop pendants, which you can use to make cute little earrings like these. So don't forget about that free gift when you're shopping. Wonderful. So happy birthday, Prestige. We have so many more inspirations and tutorials and of course beads and pendants and fancy stones to shop from Prestige on our website at artbeads.com. So definitely check out all that Prestige Crystal has to offer. We love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and inspiring. Please make sure to leave a like and a comment. We love hearing from you guys. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.